Man, I'm telling you, I don't know. Is it good that blood that dark? Is that, I mean, nah, when I butchered things, it was dark like that. Well, you need some iron, there you go. God, look how, I mean, I got lots of paper towels here, too. Did it dry, Ma?
I don't know. I mean,
Is it drying out, or does it just keep going?
no, it's probably dry.
It's drying out. I was going to take a shower with my coffee, but look at this. Look at this. I mean, are you kidding me, man? They're soaked through. Them towels are soaked through to the ground. Unbelievable. Well, it's a bloodletting. That's supposed to be good for you in ancient times, but from a little pimple, didn't feel like nothing. Might have been a mole or something. I don't know what to do right now. What do I do? I don't want to walk and put blood all everywhere. Get this.
Wait,
My God. I'm a pimple. Well, it stopped, I think.
Oh my God, look at this.
I know, it's soaked. It's soaked. It's soaked. If there wasn't towel there, it'd be a big pool on the floor.
What is that?
That would scare most people. I don't know. I'm falling apart, I think, Ma. Just 70's the date, and they're saying, bye, Bond. You know, planned obsolescence in your car, that's it right there. When they hit 70, everything falls apart. I don't know. Yeah, you gotta do that. You gotta do that.
I'm gonna wait that.
Yeah. You know, you don't hurt. Don't hurt. Push on. There's no...
No, when it's starting to bleed.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta get a cloth.
From a little scratch, there was a little pimple, maybe a little thing, a mole or a wart or some kind of skin tag or something. No, wipe it. Put some water on it. I was curious too how long it would take me to coagulate, because if it didn't, then I've got to go to the hospital. But if it coagulates, I'm fine. But there's blood all over the living room. Oh, there it is. Put it back. It stopped again. Starting again. Wipe it away. I want to see it flow. That is crazy. All right, wrap it up. I'll hold this here. Get something to wrap it up so it don't drip down my leg all that. Well, something's going on. That's got to be deep, because there's no blood flow like that near the skin. This mole went deep, or whatever the hell it is. You got something? Was that Tampax? Mm-hmm. I suppose so. Put it there, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Go, fast. Put it on there. Now you gotta wrap it with something. Just get some tape, wrap it around me.
Hold on.
I got it. I pressure on the thing. What, should I go to the doctor? No way going to no doctor. I mean, if I lose a cord or something, I'm gonna have to go. What else is gonna happen? I'm falling apart fast. Something's going on.